Yes, people, today we're gonna pay from our balance in 7 steps from the Venmo app. And of course, first we have to do is open the Venmo app and ensure that you have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store, of course. Second, log in or sign up. Launch the Venmo app and log in using your Venmo account details. If you're a new user, you need to sign up for an account and link it to your bank account. Access the payment screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Venmo home screen. In the bottom middle of the screen, you'll see a prominent V icon. Tap on it to initiate a payment. Well, the fourth step is enter payment details. Recipient. Into the field, enter the username or phone number of the person you want to send money to. Venmo will display matching contacts from your list as your type. The amount. Specify the amount you wish to send. Make sure it doesn't exceed your available Venmo balance. Well, a note. You can include brief note or description about the payment for your reference or to share with the recipient. 5. Complete the payment. After entering necessary details, review the payment information to ensure it's accurate. Once you satisfy, tap the pay button located usually at the bottom right of the screen. Well, 6. An important step, the payment confirmation. If you have sufficient funds in your Venmo balance to cover the payment, it will be automatically deducted from your balance. If your Venmo balance doesn't cover the entire amount, Venmo will prompt you to link a bank account to complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Confirmation and receipt. Venmo will confirm the successful payment and provide you with a digital receipt. You can also see the transaction details in your Venmo transaction history. And that's it. You've successfully made a payment using your Venmo balance, allowing you a convenient and hassle-free transaction without involving your bank account. Remember to keep an eye on your Venmo balance to ensure you have enough funds for the future payments. And if you have any questions, guys, please use the description box below and the comment box to ask your questions, and let's help each other out. Yes, thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.